Good morning, beautiful world. I am thankful for the sun. I'm thankful for the trees. I'm thankful for the birds. I'm thankful for the wind. I'm thankful for the air I breathe. I am thankful that I get to see today. This is my morning gratitude. Today, I am grateful. I'm grateful for nothing too much, but everything at once. I'm grateful because I can stand here today and say that I woke up. And in this day, I can smile, I can cry, I can get stressed, I can reach my next goal. I can reach my next failure. I can have my next annoyance. I can have my next triumph and an unexpected surprise. This day is filled with everything that I don't know. And some of the things that I believe that will happen within this day may come to fruition, but they may not. I have the chance to see it today. Thanks for waking up. There's nothing to start a day off right than to breathe in energy and light. So as I wake my eyes up, as I acclimate to my environment around me outside of my dreamscapes of last night, I will start with a breath. Breathing out. Deep breath in. Holding. Breathing out. Deep breath in. Holding. Breathing out. It feels good to invigorate myself this morning. To be present in this world is a beautiful experience. Again, I may not know what is going to come, but I am ready and I am accepting. For I am grateful for this moment and this experience because it is a part of my one life that I get to live today. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am also grateful for the small things that some people may consider to be minor, such as the noise my neighbors make when they laugh and they play. It shows me that happiness exists outside of myself as well. I am grateful for the sounds the dogs make when they bark as they walk down the street. It shows me that we can coexist with beasts and animals because we are one and the same. I am grateful for the time I get to spend with family and friends because I've learned that it's very easy for physical beings to be locked behind a door for a long period of time. I don't want that, but it happens, so I accept it. And eventually, I learned to let go. Let go of the pain, the stress, the worry of the things I do not like, because today, I can be grateful that I woke up completely alright. Exhaling completely, breathing out all that negative energy from yesterday, and breathing in a positive strength from the sun today, holding, embracing it as the warmth expands throughout my body. I'm breathing it out all the same, because I hold on to nothing, and for that I am grateful. Let me start my day.